how to find people nearby on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Telegram. Here in Telegram, okay, go to contact on the lower left side on your screen. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can see the find people nearby. So you can tap the find people nearby and quickly add people nearby who are also viewing the section and discover local group chat. So please allow on location access to enable these features. Okay, you can tap the allow access button here and you can see the pop-up and allow Telegram to use your location. So okay, you can allow once, allow while using app, or don't allow. So for my example, I set into allow while using the app. And another pop-up, allow Telegram to also use your location even when you are not using the app. So there are two options. So you can keep only while using, or you can change to always allow. So keep only while using, I select this. And okay guys, here you can see the people nearby. And okay guys, so exchange contact info with people nearby and find new friend. If people nearby is available, you can see here, but there are no available for now. So that's it to find the people nearby on Telegram.